Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video for you guys, and in this video right here we're going to be doing an unboxing of a new bag that I just got. But before we go ahead and get into the unboxing, I did get this bag because I sold another bag that I had. I did sell the Speedy 25 Emprunte leather bag. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but that's the bag that I sold. I did purchase that bag in April of last year, and I probably wore the bag maybe 3 or 4 times, and I have not worn it since last year. So I would say that the bag has been sitting for probably about a year now. So I mean, that's just entirely too long to not have worn a bag, and that bag was quite expensive. It's the most expensive bag that I ever bought, and so I was like, I need to go ahead and recover some of my money and take that money and put it towards another bag that I'm going to actually use. Okay, I did go ahead and purchase the Locky BB. I did think the Locky BB was a gorgeous bag, but I feel like it was a little bit dressy and I wanted something a little bit more casual, so I sent that one back as well. And then I ended up with what I have now, and I'm actually surprised that I ended up liking this bag. But as soon as I opened the box, I fell in love with this bag, and I am pretty much most likely going to be keeping this bag. So let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. Here's the box that the bag came in. Of course, I've already opened it, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So here is the bag right here. This is the Louis Vuitton, I may not say it right, Saintonge in the color Noir. And I am in love with this bag, okay? This is a camera style bag. So here's the back of it. And I'm in absolute love with this bag. It's absolutely gorgeous, okay? I think that this bag right here is perfect for every day. And I think that this bag is more so what I was looking for. So let's just get into a little bit of the details of this bag. You do have your monogram and you do have your black leather. So, you know, you don't have to worry about, you know, it getting wet or anything like that, which is perfect. This is pretty much a chill bag. Now, you do not get an adjustable strap. So, you know, you will have to be concerned about how the bag is gonna fit on you, or, you know, sit on you if you're super tall or if you're super short. I am 5'2" and the bag fits me just right, okay? So you do have this strap. You also have a little handle here if you wanted to carry the bag, you know, just to carry it, all right? One thing that I will say about this bag that I did see in other people's reviews is that because of the way that they packaged it, you do have a few dents here and there, but that is not a deal breaker to me. Everything else on this bag is pretty much perfect, and you can get those dents out, but they do have those dents in there, which is a little bit annoying, but it's not a deal breaker at all. And you do have the 2 zippers at the top of this bag. You also have the diamond plate right here and the 2 tassels. And, you know, I think that this is just a good little decoration to have on the bag. Now, I initially did not think that I would like this bag because it puts me in the mind frame of the Gucci Soho bag, which I did not like. I purchased that bag, sent that bag back as well. I didn't like the shape of the Gucci Soho. It kind of reminded me of a lunchbox. And this has that same shape, but I love it. Like, so I don't know if it's just because I'm a Louis Vuitton girl, but I love the shape of this, and you can really fit a lot in here. So let's take a look on the inside so you guys can see, you know, everything that you can fit inside of here. So look at the inside of the bag. You get a bunch of room, and then you also have a pocket here where you can fit, you know, a few things in there as well, okay? I definitely think that this is a gorgeous bag, and you also do not see a whole lot of people with this bag, which is always great. So now I'm just gonna give you guys some mod shots and show you guys how this bag looks as a crossbody bag and as a shoulder bag. I will not be wearing it as a shoulder bag, but I will be wearing it as a crossbody. So let's go ahead and flip to the video so that you guys can see how it looks as a crossbody. Pretty much it. This was just a quick unboxing video and mod shots for you guys. But yeah, I definitely love this bag. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous. I think that it is a bag that, you know, a lot of people maybe slept on, or, you know, even I slept on it. I do think that I've tried this bag on in the store before, but I did not try this color on, but I absolutely love it. And I've been wanting a bag that was monogram that also had black leather on it, because I have a Neo Noe and I love my Neo Noe, but I wanted something that was a little smaller that would be carried every day, because I only use my Neo Noe for like travel or shopping trips and things like that. But I definitely think that this bag is definitely a good replacement for the bag that I sold. And if you guys want me to do a full review and what fits inside and all of that, let me know down in the comments. And as usual, I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.